Hey, what is up, guys? It's your boy Mike here from the NetVR. So today we're gonna show you how to host and deploy your LightSail instance. Are you ready, guys? Let's go. So this is your AWS dashboard, your AWS dashboard, and in your console home, you're gonna go to LightSail. If you do not see LightSail, you can go here in your search bar, type in LightSail, and then it's in services, LightSail. Click on that, and you're brought to the LightSail dashboard. On your LightSail dashboard, you can see all of your instances, and I already have one instance. If you don't have any, let's create a new instance. And then creating this new instance is where we're going to deploy our React app. So on here, you can see with the location, we're going to keep Ohio Zone A, and then your instance image platform, we're going to keep on using Linux. If we pick Microsoft Windows, it's a bit extra. It's a bit more money because you have to pay for the Windows license. So Windows license is a bit more expensive. The Linux one is a lot cheaper, $5 instead of 8 or 10. We're gonna pick main. The main stack is awesome because the main is actually the same as MERN. So main, MERN, same thing. It works awesome for our React app. We're gonna scroll down. We're gonna pick our $5. Identify your instance. We're gonna keep it as mean-1. Let's create the instance. Alright, now it is creating the instance. It does take a while for it to create the instance. Also, once it is created, it does take a while for it to deploy your React app. And we also, after it's created, we also have to set up the instance. They set up the instance, but we also have to change some settings so that it works so that it works basically. So we're just waiting for it to. Okay, there we go. So once it's no longer gray and it's this bright color, it's ready to go. We just click on it. So this is your instance console dashboard, whatever. Under domains, you can see you can buy your own domain. Domains cost money. We're not going to talk about domains yet. Under networking, we need to attach a static IP address. Right now, this is not static IP address, and this will not work correctly. We need a static IP address so that the IP address does not change. You can click here. You can create your own create a new static IP address. If you already have one, like I do, you just click the one that you already have. You can attach. Boom! Static IP attached. Next. Continue. Alright. So now I have a static IP that I've attached. For IPv4 firewall, your IPv4 firewall, let's add a rule that just allows everybody to come in, which kind of shuts down the firewall. So this basically just allows everybody to hop in. All protocols and under application, all protocol. So what I just did was all protocols and then just click create. For metric, you can see your burstable zones, sustainable zones, and CPU burst capacity. As long as you're under the CPU burstable zone, as long as you're in the green as long as you're in the green sustainable zone, as long as you're under sustainable zone, you do not pay any money. Once you're in the burstable zone, once you have a lot of users using an instance at once, once you're in the burstable zone, it will then cost you CPU burst capacity credits. Once you use up all of your CPU burst capacity credits, then you start paying money. So just keep that in mind. Let's go to connect. Download your. Okay, we need this key. This Bitnami in this key. We need this SSH key. Click download. And keep in mind where you download it. I'm downloading it in downloads, but I already have an SSH key. Then we need to go to FileZilla. FileZilla is basically how you're going to transfer stuff. When I say stuff, I mean files. This is how you're going to transfer files. So under FileZilla, click here. Go to settings. And we're going to use simple file transfer protocol. Okay, it takes a while to load, but there we go. Under connection, click simple file transfer protocol, SFTP, add a key file. And click on downloads the one that you downloaded, and then just click open. There you go. I'm not going to use this one. For some reason, it works without it. Once you add your key file, click keep it there. I click remove key because I don't need that key. Then go to site manager, then add your site. So add your site, click new site. I'm gonna call this test 3. Click simple file transfer protocol. Copy and paste your host name. Oh my gosh. Host name. The host name can be found under here. Stack IP address. Basically just here. Stack IP address. Or you can go to networking. Copy. Paste. Port. Keep that empty. Username is bitnami. Password is empty because we're using a key. A key that AWS sent us, and then hopefully it should be in the key. I already have the key, so it's fine. I'm gonna hit connect. Yep. I am then. Hello? Am I connecting? This is connecting. Did I choose? Oh crap! I mean, oh shoot! I did not mean to cuss. Oh no! I kind of messed up. Like, we go to site manager. I didn't do a full copy paste. Hit connect. Okay. Okay. There we go. We are now connected. So if you go to htdocs, you can see that we already have index.html. So under htdocs, we already have an index.html. If we go here, and we go copy and paste, we can see what the htdocs looks like. Congratulations, this is the default one. So if you want our own, React app, we have to go to where our React app lives, so which is under clients. Inside clients, you need to do npm run build, which will build our dist, which will build for production, and it will build our dist folder, and we need that dist folder for our deployments. So in FileZilla, go to clients, dist, and you can see here we need to move all of this over here to the bitnami. So we don't need this index. That's the default index. Yes, delete that. Then we can copy over the file transfer protocol to our instance, our AWS instance. Okay, once it's all copied, let's test it out. It's not gonna work, but I just want to show you what happens if it doesn't work. So it looks like it's working. But if I click on creators, it doesn't work. Uh-oh, URL not found. That's because when I click here, it thinks that this is a file. It thinks that creators is a file. If I go here, creators is not a file. Creators is on the single page application. It's on the React single page application. So that's why I can't find it. So what we need to do is make this folder called htaccess. Have this folder copy all of this, call it htaccess, well, it's .htaccess, but have this ready, and just copy all of this. Once you do that, you then find that folder. I think it's this one, htaccess, and then just transfer it over. Now once you have htaccess, everything should work. So try again. Boom! Now our navbar is working. Everybody's happy. Wow. Wow. Alright, so that's only the front end. The back end, we're going to worry about that later. The domain name, we're going to worry about that later. SSL certificates, we're going to worry about that later. APIs, backends, yeah, we're going to just worry about that later. Alright, but that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. So this is Mike from the NetVR, and hopefully you guys learned something. Hopefully you can just deploy your own AWS LightSail instance. And I'll catch you guys later. Bye.